solve one example problem, Mathematics 2B, English medium, second chapter, System of Circles. Example number 2, page number 81. If the angle between the circles, if the angle between the circles x square plus y square minus 12x minus 6y plus 41 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus kx plus 6y minus 59 is equal to 0 is 45 degrees. Find k. Find k. This is the problem. If the angle between the circles x square plus y square minus 12x minus 6y plus 41 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus kx plus 6y minus 59 is equal to 0 is 45 degrees. Find k. Find k. Already here given that the angle between the two intersecting circles is 45 degrees. Find the value k. Here first of all find the value of k means here given circles comparing with two circles, find the value g1 f1 c1 and g2 f2 c2 and substitute angle between the two circles formula. Cos theta is equal to c1 plus c2 minus 2 g1 g2 minus 2 f1 f2 by 2 into under root of r1 square g1 square plus f1 square minus c1 into under root of g2 square plus f2 square minus c2 formula. First of all, here given equations comparing with circles x square plus y square minus 12x minus 6y plus 41 is equal to 0 is the first circle equation. Comparing with first circle x square plus y square plus 2g1x plus 2f1y plus c1 is equal to 0. X coefficient 2g1 is equal to minus 12. g1 is equal to 2 1 2 6 g1 is equal to minus 6. Y coefficient 2f1 is equal to minus 6. f1 is equal to 2 1 2 3 f1 is equal to minus 3. Constant c1 is equal to 41. Again second circle x square plus y square plus kx plus 6y minus 59 is equal to 0. Comparing with second circle x square plus y square plus 2g2x plus 2f2y plus c2 is equal to 0. X coefficient 2g2 is equal to k, g2 is equal to k by 2. Y coefficient 2f2 is equal to 6. f2 is equal to 6 by 2. 2 1 2 3 f2 is equal to 3. Constant c2 is equal to minus 59. C2 is equal to minus 59. Here find the angle between the two circles. If theta is the angle between the two circles, then cos theta is equal to C1 plus C2 minus 2 G1 G2 minus 2 F1 F2 whole divided by 2 into under root of g1 square plus f1 square minus c1 into under root of g2 square plus f2 square minus c2. Substitute g1 f1 c1, g2 f2 c2 and theta value cos theta. Here theta is equal to 45 degrees. C1 41 plus C2 minus 59 minus 2 G1 minus 6 G2 K by 2 minus 2 F1 minus 3 F2 3 whole divided by 2 into root of G1 square minus 6 whole square plus F1 square minus 3 whole square minus C1 41 into G2 square K by 2 whole square plus F2 square 3 square minus C2 minus 59 minus into minus plus cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2 is equal to 41 minus 59. 2 get cancelled. Minus into minus plus 6 into k 6k minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6 6 3s are 18 whole divided by 2 into under root of minus 6 whole square 36 plus 3 square 9 minus 41 into k by 2 whole square k square by 4 plus 3 square 9 plus 59 under root 1 by root 2 is equal to 41 plus 18 59 minus 59 plus 6k whole divided by 36 plus 9 45 minus 41 into k square by 4 9 plus 59 68 under root 1 by root 2 is equal to plus 59 minus 59 get cancelled 6k by 2 into root of 45 minus 41 root 4 here taking LCM 4 k square plus 68 4s are 68 4s are 4 8s are 32 4 6s are 24 plus 3 27 272 under root 1 by root 2 is equal to 6k by 2 into root 4 2 into root of k square plus 272 by root 4 1 by root 2 is equal to 6k by 2 into root k square plus 272 by square root 4 means 2. Root 4 means 2. Root 4 means 2. 2 get cancelled. 1 by root 2 is equal to 6k by 2 into root of k square plus 272. 2 1s are 2 3s are 1 by root 2 is equal to 3k by under root of k square plus 272 cross multiplication root k square plus 272 is equal to 3k into root 2 squaring on both sides k square plus 272 is equal to 3k square 9k square into root 2 whole square 2 k square plus 272 is equal to 9 2s use of 18k square. 18k square. Taking k square right side. 272 is equal to 18k square minus k square. 272 is equal to 18k square minus k square. 17k square. 17k square is equal to 272. K square is equal to 272 by 17. 17 1 ja 17 1 ja 17. 10 10 no 2 1 not 2. 17 6 ja 102. K square is equal to 16. K is equal to plus or minus 4. Therefore, K is equal to plus or minus 4. K is equal to plus or minus 4. K is equal to plus or minus 4. This is the value of K. Here, find the angle between the two circle formula by using. Here, the angle between the two circles is 45 degrees. The angle between the two circles is 45 degrees. Then find the value of K. This is the question. First of all, here given equations comparing with the first circle and the second circle, find the values G1, F1 and C1, G2, F2 and C2, G1, F1, C1 and G2, F2, C2. Substitute in the formula. The angle between the two circles is cos theta is equal to C1 plus C2 minus 2 G1 G2 minus 2 F1 F2 by 2 into under root of G1 square plus F1 square minus C1 into under root of G2 square plus F2 square minus C2 is the formula for finding the angle between the two circles. Substitute G1 F1 C1 values, G1 F1 C1 and G2 F2 C2 values and simplifying here K is equal to plus or minus 4. This is the process.